Hi guys, in front of me is OPPO F23 and let me show you how to activate the battery percentage and status bar. So at first open the settings, then find and select notification and status bar, go to status bar where you will notice battery percentage, mark it, and now you can change the layout, so you can hide battery percentage or you can place it outside the battery icon or inside the battery icon. If you'll tap on battery style mentioned at the beginning, you will be able to change it to vertical or even loop or do not show. Let me leave it this way. So that's it, that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.